Alright guys, it's Sunday fun day. But I got something I haven't told you guys. A couple weeks back I bought myself another car. Don't worry, I'm not going to lose my interest in my Model A. It's another car that we're going to make a Sunday fun day out of come next fall. It's rough, it's nasty, it's dirty, and that's how I like it. So my buddy Bill is just bringing it to me right now because when we had all the floods out here, it was in Abbotsford, I couldn't get it to my place in Chilliwack. So he went and got it for me and he's held on to it for me at his place and he's on the way and he should be here any minute now. So we can go out there and wait for him and see this. I'm going to warn you, Bill's crazy, he's insane, he's nuts. I've known him for 14 years and the guy's always up to something. He's bringing the car out and I know for a fact, and I'm not pre-planning this for you guys, I know for a fact he's going to have some crazy shenanigan going on when he shows up here. The reason I know this too is because he just messaged me and said, I'm just down the road at Duke's Pub with your car. So let's see this. He should be coming. He should be arriving any time. I'm just standing over here to keep the neighbors out of the film right at the moment. This will be a good day today. I got Big Red out of the way, you can see. I got Big Red moved out of the way. I got a spot moved over here. I got a spot ready to put this new car under. So I'm ready. What do you think of that old drag slick right there, you guys? I got a couple of these. Look at this. That's right from the day. Alright, with the old bloody Ford bolt pattern, the big Ford bolt pattern. That's pretty cool, eh? Really cool. Anyway, there's old Bittersweet. Bittersweet. Just sitting there. There's the bug we're working on. We pushed it out of the shop just to get out of the way. Okay, well, let's get the gate open here. Should be here any time. Like I say, Bill's crazy. He's a crazy, crazy man. And we are still going to have Sunday Fun Day today. I'm still going to work on the Model A. I have to get this car unloaded with him, and then I have to take off for a bit. So today is going to be a short Sunday Fun Day in the shop, because I got a couple things I got to do before I can get started. So, but that's okay. But I'm excited. I can't wait for you guys to see this. Where is he? Where is he? Where is he? You guys can... Yeah, this is our burnout road. You can see the burnouts are dying down. You can tell when winter's here. Not that many burnouts on the road right now. Oh, I'm excited for you guys to see this car. I'll give you a little history on this car while we wait. So it sat up in, I think it was Clinton. It sat there for 30 years. Then from there it moved to, I can't remember. Anyway, it sat there for 10 years. So this car hasn't seen the light of day forever. It's rough. It looks like it could be on the drag strip, but it never was. Somebody just made it with this crazy paint job, and anyway, I can't give it all away. Here we go. Where's old Billy Bob? Oh, here we go. Here we go. Are you seeing what I'm seeing on the back of that truck? Oh yeah. Big thumbs up. Look at this, people. Oh, you know it. Look at the tires on the back of this thing. Is this thing rough or what? What was I thinking? Obviously, I've been drinking too much beer. But at the end of the day, this car is actually in really decent shape and it's got good registration, good clean title.
Good morning, Rick.
Good morning, sir.
I have brought you a Christmas present.
Is this my present?
This is your Christmas present.
Okay.
I tell you, it's my Christmas present to have an opportunity to be on Old Time Garage. I've been looking forward to this for a long time, so I sure got a lot of good looks from this thing on the way out here.
I thought you were going to say it's your opportunity to get this hunk of shit out of your yard.
No, that was the
Oh, was it? Did he not like the look of it?
It was just taking up some space.
Well, it was on your car trailer.
Yeah, here we are. It's quite the piece.
It's a beautiful. I mean, right here you've got this is so the wind can come through, just so it doesn't slow you down.
That's I got good gas mileage. That's for sure. There was no problem getting any wind resistance. There's as a project, this is going to be pretty spectacular. What can I say?
All I can say is I think I was drinking that day.
I think so too. I told you to have a stiff drink in your hand when I showed up.
Well, you know, I know this was all gone, but if you look in here, like seriously, normally they're all rotten in here.
Yep.
And it's solid.
No, but they were able to supply you with floor pans.
Oh, lovely, lovely. I like that. This is the door panel. Oh yeah, I can reuse that. You know.
Yep. And we have some more parts in the back of the truck.
There's axles in here and everything.
Yep.
Yeah, this is a big job. Yeah.
Yeah, well, you're one that doesn't shy away from a big job and a good job.
That's right. Yeah, that's right. I love it. I love it.
Yeah, it's got a great look.
As
soon as I saw it, it reminded me of two-lane blacktop.
Yeah.
Just cruising down the strip, and I'm looking forward to that day.
Yeah, well, so am I. That'll be a long ways away. Oh boy. Yeah, well, yeah, we won't. Yeah, okay. Well, we won't say what I paid for this.
No, we won't say nothing. And, we'll just keep that, and
we'll keep that, and
we'll get this thing unloaded, and
that's it.
Like you say, it's always a good time at Old Time. This is going to be a good time.
You know it. Okay, everyone. I got to take off here real quick and do it and help a buddy out. But before I go, my good buddy Bill, you just saw, he's a crazy man. I want to thank him a lot. Thanks a lot, Billy. Old Billy Ray, we call him. Races up at Agassiz Speedway. He drives a stock car I support. Anyway, he dropped my 55 off, and I just want to give you a quick little view of it under the hood and inside, because I didn't show you that. And, well, we'll show you what it's all about. So, she's definitely rough. But the good news is I have bumpers, I have grills, I have headlight rings, I have mint front fenders, I have a mint hood and a mint trunk lid, and I've got rocker panels brand new. So that's a nice thing. What's strange about this car is that it really never was. He's gone for that gasser or that street freak look, but it never really was. Because I'll tell you why, or at least I don't think it was. Because the first thing I see here, let me if I can get the hood open. There we go. The first thing I see is this is the Telltale. It's still got all the clutch linkage and pedals and everything in it for a 3-speed on the column. And it's still got the old mounts right there. No one has cut or hacked or done anything to this thing underneath here. So it looks to me like the car was originally white too from the color. So, you know, I mean, the inner fenders are really nice. The hood is decent. And when you come around here and you look, like somebody's just all done this, you know, they just scabbed it together and look at this paint job they did. It's too bad it's missing it. Like there's part of me that wants to just take this car, lift the body off the frame, clean the frame up, do the floors in the car, and then just put it back down on the, get it down on the road and get it running and leave it like this for now. But, you know, if you look, like the front seat, look at the front seat in this thing. But it hasn't got the factory back seat, it's got a Diamond Tough seat. You know, the rear floors are good. The trunk pan's good, but like the dash, look at it, it's still got the 3-speed on the tree. It's got an old, you know, who is this one made by? This is the 5 of the Grant Performance wheel. This is actually the type of wheel I'm putting on my Model A, believe it or not. It's got a chrome glove box door on that. It's got this old aftermarket radio, but the dash isn't even cut up. Oh God, you gotta love the smell of these old Chevys inside. The floor in front isn't so bad, but the rockers are all gone. It's gone under here. It came with doors, came with quarters, came with all that stuff. It's got good glass in it. I'm not going to put any chrome on this car. I'm going to leave her plain Jane. But, like I said, it's very, very crazy that it really wasn't a gasser. It really never was. I don't know what it ever was. I don't know the history of this car. I couldn't tell you. It's just been sitting around for a long time. Anyway, she's mine now. She's mine, and this is going to be our project next fall. So next fall, on Sunday Fun Day, is going to be the gasser. So you know what's going to go on in a year from now. So that's good. Anyway, as my good buddy Bill, I want to thank you again for Bill for dragging it out and picking it up for me. As Bill said, it's always a good time at Old Time. Thanks for watching. And yes, this is Sunday Fun Day. I got to run out for a bit, but I'm going to come back and there's going to be another video later of playing on the Model A. See ya.